Mitered corners make a visually seamless join, ideal for stripes and border prints. Fold and snip the centers of both the square and the strip. Use snips with precise tips such as Havel's embroidery scissors. With right sides facing and raw edges aligned, match the centers and pin. The strip should extend beyond the square's edge. Sew the border strip to the square. Start and stop a 1/4 inch from the corner of the square, backstitching at each end. Press to set, then lightly press the strip away from the square. Add the bottom strip in the same manner. To add the side strips, fold the top and bottom strips out of the way. Align and pin. Sew the side strips to the square. Start and stop a 1/4 inch from the corner of the square, backstitching at each end. Press to set, and then lightly press the strip away from the square. Add the other side strip in the same manner. With right sides facing, fold the block diagonally, aligning the raw edges of the adjacent sides. Open the seam allowance, aligning the ruler along the diagonal fold. Mark from the seam to the raw edge. Stitch the line starting at the corner and backstitching, then continue to stitch all the way to the raw edge. Repeat for the remaining corners, unfolding the block to make sure the strips lie flat as you work. Correct stitching if necessary. Then fold your block diagonally again. Using a ruler and rotary cutter, trim the seam allowance to a 1/4 inch on the mitered strips. Repeat for the other side. Press the corner seams open. Trim as needed.